Hey guys, Janet here with Strange RV Tours. Another review. We're here in New Orleans and we're at this gated RV park and right off of the 10 on 90, which is Chef Montour Highway. Let me show you around. Okay, this is our spot, and it's been really nice because it's big. People here are really nice. The only thing that's a deterrent really is the train yard behind here, which doesn't bother us, and it really hasn't been that bad. I've only heard the horns blow once, but it's an exchange yard. But we're paying Passport America $25 a night plus tax, so like 30 bucks. And for New Orleans, that's not bad. And they have a nice crew here, and they have security at night, and they keep the gates all shut. And so anyway, nice little showers over here. And I guess they have about 30 spots, I think. Well, more than that. But here you go. Take a look at okay. Nice big shower. Ooh, dark too. Where's the lights? There. And handicap accessible, which is important. That's here you go. And see, we have a gate code to get in. It's 7500 Chef Montour Highway. And it's a gate keypad to get out, but keypad to get in. And there's the highway. Traveler's choice on TripAdvisor. But Three Oaks and a Pine RV Park. Okay. Cool, huh? Yeah. Squirrel crossing. Nice little sitting area while you're doing your laundry. And we stayed an extra couple days. We have pamphlets. Right now only one washer and one dryer is working, but they do have a change machine, which is awesome. And hi. And a nice bathroom area here. Another shower with a big tub if you want a bath, which is nice, especially if you had kids. Yeah. TV room, coffee if you want it. Nice. Okay. All kinds of flyers for all this different tours. Oh my gosh, the tours, they're everywhere. Yeah. And see, highway over here, you really don't hear much when you're parked side by side. And people with kids and dogs. We really enjoyed our stay. Like, get down to the quarter in like 15 minutes, you know, straight highway shot. And we hit Bourbon Street I don't know how many times, every night. Just people watch. We love it. Hit the breweries, try to find the best IPA. That's what Greg's known for, is IPAs. But it's easy to spend a lot of money though. It really is. Here we go, gal. Really flat sights and big sights. Water pressure is really good. People are really nice. Hey guys, little review. Little park, very nice. Three Oaks and a Pine RV park right here in New Orleans. It's been great. If you like this video, hit the like. Subscribe if you would too, and you'll see everything that we do. And hit the little bell for notifications, and share if you could, please.
Share.
Yeah, share. All right guys, later. Onward.